I'm confused a bit regarding ads. How many ways is there to run the ads? Isn't it one way? Because I see so many videos in YouTube about how to run Google Ads. It seems it doesn't have one way. Enlighten me. So, well, you got search, display, video, Gmail campaigns, shopping. So, these are the five different ways of running different types of ads, which go on different channels and networks and on the Google Discover network. So, that's how you would go about it. And you want to be reaching out or hitting your audiences at every touch point. So if I go on Google search, I need to see your ads. If I go to display network, your ads should follow me. If I go on YouTube, your ads should come up. If I go shopping, if I go on the search campaign again and I type in something like a buy iPhone or something like that, then your shopping ads should also pop up. When I go and check my Gmail, your ad should come and in front of me. And that's how you build up the brand, not just by setting up one campaign. That used to work a few years ago, not anymore, because the path to a conversion is a very complicated one. I'm going to go on Google, then I'm going to go on social, then I'm going to go to your competitor's website, then keep coming back to Google, search again, keep searching and finding until I find that right product or the best company. And then I'm going to decide to convert with a particular company. So during my customer journey, whilst I'm searching, I need to see your brand, because if I come to your site, log off without or bounce off without converting, and you don't remarket to me, you've lost me, and then I may not come back to you. So you got to have completely a 360 marketing strategy, and that's what we are really good at.